But we're gonna be making some jerk chicken today. So let's get started. Now I know what you're saying, Misha. Now why would you use this instead of making it from scratch? Well, I'm actually coming out with my own Jamaican jerk marinade in a few months, and there's no point in me putting it on here if I'm going to sell it. So anyway, you're going to need Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. You can get the hot as hell one or the mild. I chose to get mild. You're going to need an orange liquid smoke because I don't have any coals or a grill. So I'm kind of want to pick up a tiny bit of smoky flavor going on. Then you're also going to need Spicy Girl or your favorite chicken seasoning. Yes, this has a lot of spice. However, I'm still going to season my chicken. Let's get started. Alright, I'm assembled and ready to go. First, let's start with the chicken. As you can see, I already zested my orange onto my chicken. You want to season it with your favorite chicken seasoning. Make sure it's low in sodium or no sodium at all because there's sodium in the jerk spice. So that's what I'm seasoning my chicken with. Next, you want to move on over to your marinade. Now, to thin this out, because I want to thin it out, you're going to add the juice of the same exact orange. Only half of it though, because as you can see, mine's produced a lot of juice. Then you're gonna take your liquid smoke. Okay, so first of all, this liquid smoke is the only one I can find. If you can find a better brand and better, you know, different flavor, use it. I mean, get it. But you just wanna, not too much. And remember, you can also taste this as you go. You can mix it, taste it, just like I'm going to do. And once I mix this in and get it to how I want it, I'm going to come right back. Next, you're going to take your jerk. Yummy. Don't forget to wear gloves. Even though it's mild, it's still hot. I don't care what anyone says. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be using a sheet tray and a cooling rack because I want the chicken to get brown and crusted all around. And I got this off of Amazon. So yeah. So next you want to just line up your chicken. Make sure you leave a little bit of space in between each wing. Because if you put them too close together, they're going to steam and not sear or get crusty, I should say. So yeah, you want to leave a little space in between them. All right, and look how gorgeous and perfect these wings are. That's my salad back there. This right here is the bulgur, and I used the pre-packaged one and just follow the directions on the back of the packet. And this is my husband's plate. You got the bulgur, the plantains, the jerk chicken, the salad. Just bomb. Easy, simple, so few ingredients.